Hello everyone, welcome to my classroom. Today I am going to discuss about Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras is the name of one Greek mathematician who found an important and useful property of right angled triangle. After this, according to his name, this theorem is named as Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so let us draw a right angled triangle. So, ABC is a right angled triangle. At B, there is 90 degree. Okay. Now, according to Pythagoras theorem, the side opposite to 90 degree is known as hypotenuse. So, this side is known as hypotenuse of the right triangle. And these two sides are known as its legs. These two sides are known as the legs of, okay, I am using the black pen, legs of a right triangle. Or you can give some name also for these legs. So here AB is the other name of AB, you can tell it is perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular. And here BC is called as base. BC is called as base of the right triangle. And you know already I had discussed it is AC. AC is the hypotenuse of the triangle. So these three things you have to remember. The side opposite to 90 degree is known as hypotenuse. BC, this is known as the base of the right triangle, and this AB is known as perpendicular. Okay. Now the definition of Pythagoras theorem. So the definition of Pythagoras theorem is the square of the hypotenuse is always equal to the sum of square of the two legs of the triangle. So the definition of Pythagoras theorem is the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of two legs, or you can write as hypotenuse square equal to the sum of two legs of the square of the legs. So you can write perpendiculars, this is one leg, perpendicular square plus base square. So again I am going to repeat, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of square of two legs. Here the two legs are base and perpendicular. So hypotenuse is the longest side. Always remember, hypotenuse is the longest side. So hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. You have to always remember this formula, or this is the definition. This is the definition, this is the formula. Okay. So again I am going to repeat, hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square, means the sum of the two legs of the square of the two legs is equal to the hypotenuse square. Okay. So you can write hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now, if you want to calculate, if your question is calculate hypotenuse, what is the length of AC? That time you will write hypotenuse equal to root over of perpendicular square plus base square. Why? Because when square come to right hand side, it become root over. When the square come to right hand side of the equation, it becomes square. Now if you want to calculate perpendicular square, then the formula of perpendicular square equal to, you know that hypotenuse is the longest side. Okay, always remember hypotenuse is longer than base and perpendicular. So here hypotenuse square minus base square. Hypotenuse, you have to bring this base here. So hypotenuse square minus base square equal to perpendicular square. So I have written here perpendicular square equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. Now if your question is calculate the length of AB or calculate the perpendicular, that time you will write P equal to, you have to remove this square. So P equal to root over of hypotenuse square minus base square. Similarly, if you have to find base square, so base square formula equal to, the longest side is hypotenuse square, so hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. This is the main formula. From this main formula, you have to derive the perpendicular square formula. Also, you have to derive the base square formula. So, base square equal to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. Or if your question is find base or BC, then you will write base equal to, you have to remove this square to this side, it become root over of hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. Okay. So let us discuss one question. How you have to calculate the hypotenuse of the triangle, right triangle. Okay. The question is given here, AB is given 5 centimeter and BC is given 12 centimeter. Okay. Now, question is find hypotenuse. So, you know that according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So, here I am writing here AB is given as 5 centimeter, BC equal to 12 centimeter and AC is the hypotenuse. You have to find out AC. What is the value of AC? So, AC is what? AC is the hypotenuse. You have to calculate hypotenuse. So, here you write down hypotenuse square equal to, who is perpendicular? AB. AB is the perpendicular. That means I am writing here perpendicular is AB. So, perpendicular AB is given 5 centimeter. So, write here 5 square. It is perpendicular square. So, 5 square plus here base square. Who is base? BC is the base. I am writing here. So, P is AB, base is BC and H is the hypotenuse. Okay. Now, BC is given 12 centimeter. Base is given, this base is given 12 centimeter. Right here 12 centimeter. Okay. Now, again write hypotenuse square. You are calculating by linear equation. So, every time if there is left hand side, there is right hand side and between them there is equal sign, always you have to put implies that sign in the left hand side. Okay. So, hypotenuse square equal to 5 square. 5 square, you know 5 into 5, you are multiplying 5 into 5, it is equal to 25. Right here 5 5s are 25 plus 12 into 12, it is 144. Okay. Now, hypotenuse square equal to 25 plus 144. What is the answer? It is 9, 6, 169. Okay. Now, you have to remove this square. You have to remove this square. So, hypotenuse equal to 169 root over. So, do you know whose square is 169? It is 13 into 13. When you multiply 13 two times, you will get 169. And if there is root over same digit, then it become a single number. It become 13. Sorry. So, it is 13 centimeter. Understood? So, hypotenuse equal to 13 centimeter. This is your answer. I think this part you are clear. 169 is the, when you multiply 13 into 13, you will get 169. Now root over of 13, whenever root over is there over same numbers, two same numbers, it becomes a single number. So it is 13 centimeter. So question is, what is AC? Find the value of AC. AC you got 13 centimeter. In this way, you have to calculate the hypotenuse or the base or perpendicular of the right triangle by using formulas. Hope you all understood. Thank you. Bye.